Where am I? I could have sworn I was at home hours ago. Who are you? Why are you short like me? Why are you wearing pink? And why do you look like a cat of some sort?
Hey, hottie, it's me, your boyfriend. Where did you go?
Yeah, I'm very powerful.
Wow, are you the Pied Piper? 'Cause you really make me follow wherever you go with music.
Are you okay?
Never been better.
Get away from me.
Well, my stones. That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Don't worry about it. Just walk away, or run away like I did.
Great advice, Bashi. I'll walk away and get to the castle as soon as possible.
Why am I in this white room? I'm gonna be late for work. This is the worst day ever. What's gonna happen now? Don't even try to touch me ever again, stupid pink cat.
So for those who don't know what that is, it's an UwU cat. It's mainly attracted to a bad boy alpha demon. UwU cats come in a variety of colors. The act and behavior is really gross. And it's not for little kids to see, it's very inappropriate and cringe.
Dopey doesn't look too happy about what he's seeing.